Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Skype. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create account on Skype. Maybe because you have heard a lot about the Skype, so you want to create account on it, or maybe there's someone who uses it, so that's why you're looking to create account on it. Or maybe you have just started freelancing and your clients are on Skype, so you just want to communicate with them, or it could be any other reason for you to join Skype. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skype, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the Skype. Once it get open, it will greet you by just saying welcome to Skype. And under it, we have only one option through which you can log in, or you can just create new account. So for that, we don't have any option. Therefore, we just have to simply go to this option by just tapping on it. And once we tap on it, it will ask us to enter our email address. So here what you could do is that you can add any kind of email address, or you can use your contact number. You just have to simply type your email address or your contact number here. After that, it will send a verification code to your selected option, and from that you have to copy that verification code, paste here, and then click on this blue option which is next. Once you enter that verification code from your profile to here, after that you have to create a passcode. The passcode or the passcode could be anything of your choice, but make sure you enter something unique or maybe something strong so that you can keep your privacy. You just have to simply enter your private password, and after that you have to click on next to get onto the next step. After that, it will just take a while and it will ask you to get your contacts here. So for that, you just have to simply click on continue, which is the option below on the screen. This one, just simply click on it so that we could get onto the next page, and it might ask you for some permission, so you can either allow it or deny it. And then it will ask you to get your picture so that it could upload as a profile picture. You can continue it, and if you don't want that, you can deny the permission when it will ask you. It's all up to you. Whatever you want to go with the permissions, you can go do that. Again, it will ask you for some permissions, or maybe it will ask you to get agreed with their terms and conditions. So just simply click yes, or maybe you can just deny it, and after that you can get agreed to it. It's all up to you. Whatever you prefer, you can go with that option. You just have to simply tap on any one of these options, and it will get you to the next step. And once you get here, you will see this page. That means your account has been successfully created. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on Skype. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video.